Arbitrum Airdrop Confirm Part 5 or 4. My name is Eve Finance After 40. Patreon/Discord below to support this channel. Let's go. We're doing today another Arbitrum Odyssey. We're going over this one. What's it called? Ideal Market. Ideal Market. A little side note, a little correction. If you follow this and you notice, remember I said, hey, there's no website for Hashflow Network. Well, all you had to do was read all the comments below, and they told the Arbitrum people, hey, you tagged the wrong person. So Hashflow, just an FYI, is basically this one, Hashflow with underscore this, and you can go to up.hashflow.com. I mean, I haven't done that. I went to the website. I haven't used them. But basically, it's like the same thing. It's a bridge, AMM, swaps, farm, all that good stuff. I'm going to stick to Uniswap for more trades. But basically, if you are super hunter for airdrop at like extreme 100x level, go do like 5 swaps in here. So that's just an FYI. Let's go a little recap what we have done. This one yield, you basically just get like 0.5% on your stables. So I haven't done that, and you need to lock it for like 6 months or something. I don't know. I haven't paid attention. Hashflow I just showed you. It's a swap AMM. Aboard exchange, this is what we have done before. Tofu is an NFT place. Again, a recap. Uniswap, go do a couple of swap on Uni. Maybe they will retroactive airdrop to all layer 2 users. Who knows? We've done a trade on official Ape DEX. We have tried to do a 1-inch couple of trades, but USA people are blocked. Izumi and Yin. I think it's the same or the same company or something. I tried. Basically, Yin, when you go to the website, it says that it is blocked for USA people. And Izumi, I think it's a swap or something. I don't really remember, but I'm gonna skip those two because this one is blocked for US. I assume if there will be an airdrop, they will block it from USA people as well, which is a shame. Which is truly a shame. Dodo we have done on the other video. What else we've done? Sushi we have done. This one, Swapper, again, it's the same. It's probably a Uniswap copy pasta or something. It's the same thing. You just AMM, you swap, you farm. Nothing major. Feel free to do it a couple of times, as I said, if you are airdrop hunter, which at the end of the day, I'm not. I'm just trying to maximize my profit, maximize my odds where I see more content, more meat on the bone. I don't see meat on the bone on just using an AMM once or twice, because the brand name at the end of the day in this industry is Uniswap. And I could be completely wrong, but that's my opinion. If you have time and money, go ahead, do a couple of swaps in here and hope for the best. Treasure DAO, this one is big. Okay, this one and this one are probably gonna be big, powered by Magic. Pay attention to the Magic coin. I haven't researched that. I just saw it on this one, Treasure DAO and Butterfly. I think they are both the same. This one is like the NFT marketplace for this one, which will be the game. Feel free to check. This one has like 80,000 followers. This one has 75,000 followers. Again, Magic coin is the key, but go explore and maybe buy some NFT on their marketplace. I'm not doing that. I'm just not. But I could be wrong. I'm just not an NFT person, which is a shame. But yeah, wow, look at Bitcoin pumping nice, 29.5 back from the dead. That's good, that's good. I got a long Bitcoin today at like 28.9 right here. And I got the AI saying go long at 28.9, something like that on the 5-minute chart. I went long, and yeah, so far so good. I also closed the Ape trade, my Ape short at like 7.10. When did I close it? Right here. I got a buy signal for ape at 7.10, and I closed the short that started at 8.25. AI prediction. I might revive the channel, as I said, in my Discord / Patreon link below. I'm not promising that I will. It's a lot of stress and pressure when the market collapses, but who knows? Who knows? Either way, if you gain value to support this channel, link below. So, with all that being said and done, we're gonna do ideal market for ideal market for the first time. And the next couple of videos, maybe the next 1 or 2 videos, we will focus on the OG on Arbitrum, Avalanche, GMX leverage trading, DOPEX trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. So those are upcoming. But after basically today, we have covered at least most of this Odyssey. Okay, we're gonna cover the most of the Odyssey. If you wanna do a lot more, just do all of them, and then do all of them like 5 times. Basically, I just pick a couple that I like, and hopefully it will be enough for $100,000 plus worth of Arbitrum airdrop. Who knows? Let's start with this one, ideal market. Let me make sure I am recording, which I am. Okay, ideal market, democratized court of public opinion, powered by IMO, Arbitrum, founder of Harmony Lion 1. Interesting big announcement, May 2nd. What is this? Blockchain of opinion is launching soon. This is kind of complex. I mean, not complex, but there's not a lot of information. If you go here, okay, go here, facts about fake news. So basically, let me just, how it works. Court of public opinion has 3 parts. Someone is posting like a Twitter thread, and then you need to decide if it's newsworthy or it's fake news. So if it's like 90 plus or something, it's like good, it's not fake news. And if it's like below 10 or something, it's like fake news. Or so you see, 17 CoinDesk got this is crazy. So basically, let's try, let's do a test. I don't know how it works. Let's connect the wallet. Okay, connect wallet, MetaMask, sure. Connect, yeah. Okay, so now what do we have? So basically, I can, I don't know, make a Twitter thread and post it here. Ideal market, start community, you can buy the coin IMO. Decentralized court of public opinion. I don't think it will catch up. It's not, there's not a lot. You see here, there's like, I don't know, 10, 15 cases. So let's see what we got. Just the first one. We got cases, we got judges. Let's start with cases. The most confident opinion. I tried to search crypto, there's no results. Let's search NBA, no results. Sports, no results. Sport, no result. IMO powered by SushiSwap. Okay, let's do something. Oh God, psychic abilities are real. 99 score. Alien civilization, highly advanced technology. It got a 83% score. You can rate. UFO, define mainstream. Interesting. Okay, there's all just useless noise. Where's the crypto stuff? Okay, let's see. Advanced, intelligent, artificial intelligence is danger to humanity. I think false. So let's click rate. I don't know how it works. Rate. False. I'm gonna give it 1. And my reasoning, false. Confirm. I don't know. I'm doing this with you guys. Okay, confirm. Is it gonna cost me anything? I'm still paying fees for this nonsense. 0.001. Wow. Okay. So I'm putting false. Let's do 2. Just okay. Interesting. Confirm transaction. Okay. Interesting. Transaction successful. Okay, what does that mean? That means that I'm getting $10,000 worth of Arbitrum. That's what it means. I don't know. Ancient human civilization possessed highly advanced technology. Why is this all UFO stuff? Okay, interesting. So now what? Well, what did I did? I clicked here. Okay, is this? I don't know. This doesn't look very promising, and it's also super slow. But that's a different story. Oh, okay. Wow, people actually did. People talked a lot. Interesting. They just show wallets. This is nice. Here's my wallet. False. 0 IMO. I am a score of 2, and all the others. Another one says, that's me. Okay. And someone says yes. Oh my goodness. People are talking about it like it's Twitter. That's nonsense. Let's go to judges, the most trusted voices. What is this? Ethics, complexity, and entropy are all connected. How? Stake. What am I staking? Interesting. Creator of Pyramid Realm, writer of Intelligent Digest. So there's 10,000. Frog lover, idea engineer. This is all nonsense. Let's click stake. What am I staking? I'm staking the IMO coin. I'm not gonna buy IMO coin and stake it. Yeah, I'm done. I'm good. I'm good. Okay, let's see how it works. If you click how it works, just open you this one. What's the best interpretation of facts news? As I said, I don't know. There's not a lot of stuff in here. There's only like 10 choices. It just doesn't appeal to me, and I don't think it's gonna make it. But maybe just one trade only that cost us a little bit of Ethereum gas fees will give us 10,000 Arbitrum. I'm all forward. If this was valuable, which I don't know. It's weird. A weird website. There's not a lot of predictions. If there was like 1,000 predictions, categories like economy, sports, politics, something that you can focus, or history, I don't know, culture, literature, all that stuff, maybe. For now, it's not worth my time or money. Patreon below to support this channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.